Sometimes, we find ourselves stuck in a rut. We become complacent, settling for mediocrity. We let fear and self-doubt hold us back from reaching our full potential. But deep down, we know we are capable of so much more. We have dreams, aspirations, and a burning desire to achieve greatness. Force yourself to do great things. Push past the boundaries of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. It won't be easy, but nothing worthwhile ever is. Take that first step, even if it feels like you're walking on shaky ground. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Force yourself to do great things. Break free from the chains of self-imposed limitations. Challenge yourself to go further, to work harder, to be better. Embrace failure as a stepping stone towards success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Force yourself to do great things. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, who push you to be your best self. Seek out mentors who have walked the path you aspire to tread. Learn from their wisdom, their experiences, and their triumphs. Let their guidance fuel your determination. Force yourself to do great things. Embrace the power of discipline and consistency. Set goals, create a plan, and stick to it. Break down your dreams into manageable steps and tackle them one by one. Celebrate each small victory along the way, for they are the building blocks of greatness. Force yourself to do great things. Remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. It's about the person you become along the way, the lessons you learn, and the impact you have on others. Stay humble, stay hungry, and never lose sight of your purpose. Force yourself to do great things. Believe in the power within you to make a difference. The world is waiting for your unique talents, your passion, and your contributions. So, go out there and seize the opportunities that come your way. Embrace the challenges, overcome the obstacles, and let your greatness shine.